Wait. Thank you for coming out.
Yes, thank you. Coming out.
Global warming wouldn't be possible without any of you. But can we get one more slow dance? Everybody on the dance floor. Come on, grab somebody. It's time to just let it go. Just feel what you feel on the inside. Let it permeate through your body. I'm just glad you came out.
Good morning, everyone. Out here, my house, it's cold. Anyways, I wanted to give you all a quick video of, focus, too dark, my 02 WRX EJ25 built motor, forged internals. I have a good amount of piston slap in the morning. It's actually pretty loud when it's cold out. But I wanted to give you guys a quick view of it and show you what it sounds like. It's actually kind of cool, you get used to it. But yeah, let's give it a shot. I got the GoPro mounted. I think we're already recording. Yep. All right, let's try it. Need to get a dash mount. That's the next thing. Here. No. Ready? It's a pretty good amount. Whew. Chilly. I don't really know what the temperature is. It's got to be like high 30s, low 40s. Definitely hear it. Here. So anyways, you kind of get a view of, or a sound clip of what it sounds like. It's quieting down a little bit now. You can definitely hear that piston slap. Breakfast. Not really doing anything special today. It's about 9:30 in the morning right now. I'm gonna head down to the gym, get a little workout in, and then got some other errands to run, but I wanted to at least do a vlog today, talk about my upcoming plans. See, today's Monday, so I need to call the tuner shop. I need to decide which one I'm gonna use so that I can actually get a tune on this thing. I've been driving it around now for about a month and a half, and I finally put about 1,200 miles on it. That's gonna be annoying. And yeah, I think I have a shop picked out in mind. It's about an hour away from my house, so it'll be a little bit of a drive, but I think it'll be fun. When I called them originally back about beginning of December, they told me that they wouldn't touch my car until I had put 1,200 miles on it. So I've been driving it around town slowly, racking up the mileage. Sorry, I'm like trying to do multitasking. It's not working too well. And I'm finally at that point now where I can go get it tuned. So I have a couple ideas. One, when I first started this motor build, EJ25 hybrid motor, all forged internals, and it should be really fun. And my initial aspirations were just very, very high horsepower. They're going to take these down. They're going to be in the way. A wanted really, really high horsepower, but now thinking about it, which I didn't really consider in the first place, was the stock 5-speed transmission. It is not very strong. In fact, people said that they were going through them with just like stage 2 tunes, or even just stock they were going. So I have concerns that it's not going to hold up. That being said, I've already lined up a brand new STI 6-speed transmission. I need to get a few more parts, I think a couple hubs, but I got all the shifter linkage and everything. And that's going to be going in hopefully next month. My goals then, because right now the car doesn't run like 100% smooth, just because it's running off of like a off-the-shelf tune. It's like an economy tune to just low boost, be conservative while I'm breaking it in. I think I want to have the tuner shop do just a safe, conservative tune at first. Decent power, but nothing that's going to be too crazy. Just safe power is what I'm going for. Then after I put in the 6-speed, I would like to take it back to them and crank it up. Let's see what it can do. But for now, I just I want it to run well. I would be happy in the 300 horsepower range, wheel horsepower range for now. But definitely once the 6-speed gets in, I think that I'm going to want to go back and really turn up the boost, crank it up, and see what it can lay down. So yeah, that's hopefully going to take place. I'm going to try to call them today, get it scheduled maybe next week. We'll see. Last time I called them, they said it was a couple weeks out. Sometimes they could get you in the same week. So my schedule really varies. You know what? Actually, I heard that this road is open, so I'm going to go the other way. I haven't been this way in a while because we've been having storms here in California, Santa Cruz, and one of the windy mountain roads that leads towards my house has been shut down for like a week or two now. This is beyond inconvenient because it gets me into town a lot quicker.
The business. I like a long hair, pretty anything. Cute face, long as she ain't got a wedding ring. Bombshell body looking like Betty Page. Let's roll, baby. I can think of a better place. Come back to the crib with me, my mezzanine. And open mind's the only thing you better bring. Always try to show all these girls these better things. When a home run is coming
I hope
home.
this little rear view mirror sense thingy is not.
Cupid at they heart,
It is.
stinging for a week. Text conversations while sitting on the beach.
I'm gonna pull over.
Juggling 3 at once. I sampled
Man.
a couple treats. Either I haven't reached it or I'm at my peak. And if you get a chance, you better take a peek. I probably said it before, but the sucker's game is weak. Come and kick it with me like a pair of snicks. And I like her, and I like her too. And I like her, and I like her too. And I like her, and I like her too. And I like her, and I like her.
Love that sound.
I just need to have it. Come and play your part and be my reenactment. You're walking dazed and then you're leaving enchanted. Finish is the only way that I'd ever leave the canvas.
Still does kind of suck though because you can't like rev it really high. So we're keeping the RPMs. I mean, like I said, it varies. Right now though, without a tune, when we were breaking it in, 4500, it was cutting out a little bit. Other than that, it seemed to be running well. Did get a check engine light, which I guess is to be expected, being that the computer thinks I'm running a stock 2-liter motor. And in fact, it's a 2.5 hybrid with 750cc injectors. Actually, I need to correct myself. It's more like a 2.6 liter. It's been bored out a little bit. It's not quite a full 2.6, but it's pretty close. So I think it's all right that the computer's a little confused. I just hope that when we get to the dyno tune, they can figure it out and tune that part out of it. It's not something else that's causing that problem. But until then, haven't seen the gym this busy in a long time. This is cool. I guess it is January still, so resolutioners. Go get them, guys. Good for you. Everyone's got to start somewhere. I encourage it all. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'm going to go in and get my workout on. I might try and vlog a little bit later to see. I got a couple things to do today. Running errands is not really interesting stuff, but I am on a time limit. I got 1 hour till I need to be at my haircut. Not that great of a workout. Better than nothing. Well, I made it to the gym. I'm going to get going. I want to thank you all for watching. Like I said before, any input is appreciated. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to making more for you. See you later.
The business. I like a long hair, pretty anything. Cute face, long as she ain't got a wedding ring. Bombshell body looking like Betty Page. Let's roll, baby, I can think of a better place. Come back to the crib with me, my mezzanine. An open mind's the only thing you better bring. Always try to show all these girls these better things.